everyone. My name is Björn, and today I will be presenting a machine learning project focused on reducing turnover rates in call centers. Starting with the problem and the opportunity, turnover is a significant issue in call centers. High turnover rates disrupt service quality and lead to increased cost related to hiring and training new employees. This problem presents a promising opportunity for a machine learning based solution due to its high volume of data, complexity, and accuracy that machine learning models can bring in predicting employee behavior. Let's move on with the crisp DM business understanding. First, the problem definition. To delve deeper in the problem, high turnover leads to escalating costs, disruptions, and deteriorating morale among the remaining staff. We aim to build a predictive model to identify employees at risk of leaving, so proactive measures can be implemented, and we want to retain the employees. So what are success metrics? In terms of those, our primary outcomes metric is a reduction in turnover rate by a certain percentage. The key output metric will be the accuracy of our predictive model and the percentage of at-risk employees, and that this is accurately identified. Relevant factors for this are they contribute to employee turnover, or relevant factors that contribute to the turnover are performance metrics, including KPI scores and customer feedback, employee engagement, and survey responses, behavioral data like attendance records, and demographic factors such as age, tenure, and specific role attributes. So what's my validation plan? Solution concept would be to build a solution that leverages historical employee data and to train a predictive model. This model will forecast which employees are at a higher risk of leaving, enabling timely interventions. My validation plan is structured into 4 phases. Phase 1 is we'll start by collecting preliminary data and training an initial model. Phase 2 is we conduct A/B testing within selected teams to compare retention rates between our model flagged and at-risk employees and a control group. Phase 3 is then based on Phase 2 feedback. We'll refine the model with more data. And Phase 4, finally, we will fully develop the model and continually monitor it for further improvements. The machine learning system design. I need some decisions in terms of the design. I've made the following key decisions. First, the selection. I've chosen decision trees or a random forest for its interpretability and ability to handle diverse data types effectively. The feature engineering, on the one hand, manual engineering for domain-specific knowledge that will be used to create relevant features like engagement indices, and also automated engineering algorithms that will help identify and construct other potentially useful features. And then thirdly, serving infrastructure. Depending on the real-time availability, I'll use either batch processing for daily or weekly updates or real-time processing for immediate interventions. Like potential risks within the production of the model. To identify them, I had a look at 3 areas, 3 dimensions. First is data drift and concept drift. The nature of data and reasons for turnover might evolve over time, requiring constant monitoring and retraining of the model. The second dimension is latency issues. So real-time processing requires ensuring that the interference times do not delay interventions. And then the third dimension is data privacy. Given the sensitive nature of employee data, we will implement stringent data protection measures to comply with regulations like GDPR here in Germany. As a conclusion, I'd like to summarize that reducing turnover in call centers through a predictive ML model provides significant value by lowering costs and improving employee morale. My project, following a structured plan for validation, a thoughtful system design, and the preparation for potential risks in the production. So thank you for watching this, and thank you also for your rating.